If you've been seeing AlkaLean everywhere with claims that it can naturally activate GLP-1, crush your appetite, speed up your metabolism, and help you lose weight without injections, you should hold off on buying it until you know the full story. AlkaLean is being promoted as a natural alternative to prescription GLP-1 medications like Ozempic. But after examining the available information, the evidence behind these claims appears far less convincing than the advertisements suggest. While the product contains ingredients commonly found in dietary supplements, there are no publicly available independent clinical trials proving that AlkaLean itself can naturally increase GLP-1 levels or deliver the dramatic weight loss results featured in its marketing. Another concern is the way the product is advertised. Many promotions rely on doctor-style endorsements that cannot be independently verified, AI-generated advertisements, and customer testimonials that raise authenticity questions. Some promotional images also appear digitally created rather than showing real users, making it difficult to separate genuine experiences from marketing content. The advertising also references the FDA in ways that could leave consumers with the impression that the product has been approved or clinically validated for weight loss. Even though dietary supplements are not approved by the FDA in the same way as prescription medications, the marketing continues with bold promises about rapid appetite suppression, accelerated fat burning, and effortless weight loss. Yet these outcomes are not supported by strong independent scientific evidence specific to AlkaLean. There are also signs of secret recipe-style marketing, large limited-time discounts, countdown timers, and claims of extremely low stock, all of which are common tactics used to encourage impulse purchases. Reports also suggest that similar formulations are sold under different brand names, raising additional questions about product differentiation. None of this automatically proves AlkaLean is ineffective, but it does mean buyers should approach its claims with realistic expectations, carefully verify the available evidence, and remember that sustainable weight loss still depends on proven habits like a balanced diet, regular physical activity, and guidance from a qualified healthcare professional rather than relying on marketing promises alone.